Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can turn off the system icons you are seeing, and if you want to turn off this mic, if you want to turn off this speaker, and if you want to turn off this battery, then how you can do it. Right click on your desktop, click on the personalize you are seeing on the last, and now here on the left hand side you are seeing the taskbar on the bottom. Just click on that, and now from here just scroll down and just look for the turn system icons on or off in the notification area. So when you click on that, now here you have access to change the setting. So here all of these are on, and if I want to turn off the volume, so I can just click on this on option, and now it is off and the volume option is not showing in the system icons. And if I want it back, just I can click on the on, and now it is back. And guys, this is how you can change your or turn off your system icons onto your PC on your Windows 10 or 11. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, also do subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.